Hello and welcome. My name is Manish Gupta, working as a sales manager at Kohinoor Group. Today we are at the site office of Residencia at BT Kavde Road location. So this location is referred as residential destination of Pune for the upper crust home buyer. This is the eastern heart of Pune, where Munwa on the right and Khorpadi on the west. This is quite near to the MG Road, Magarpatta, Camp, Hadapsar, Koregaon Park, Kalyani Nagar, etc. And it is quick gateway to a shopping center like Seasons Mall, Amnora Mall, SGS Mall, 93 Avenue and many more. So because of this location and the posh locality, Kohinoor Group is come up with the Residencia. This project is an ultra luxury project for the upper crust home buyer. Let's have a look at the sample flat.
So there is 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury apartment, and we are going to see the sample unit of 3 BHK. So first of all, there is a Tata Pravesh brand to welcome us, and there is a 4-in-1 locking system. Once you enter, there is a huge living room, and it's big enough to carry your couches and a dining table. As you see, there is an attached balcony to the living room, which is big enough to having your own small garden or a mini sitting spaces. Coming back to the living room, there is a kitchen. As you see, this is a huge and well-designed kitchen with enclosed dry balcony, which having a premium fittings and fixtures. So let me take you the first of the 3 bedroom, which is right of the entrance lobby. According to me, one of the USP of the project is the size of the children's bedroom is almost equal to the size of the master bedroom, which having a attached washroom with premium CPs and sanitary fittings. On the other side, this is a second bedroom. You can call it as a guest bedroom, which having an extra wardrobe spaces, which give you a more breathing space, and having a decent size of windows, which give you a more ventilation and more sunlight. So this is a common washroom, which having a premium CPs and sanitary fittings. So this is a master bedroom, which is even bigger. Carries a king size bed and a second balcony, which give you a beautiful view of the interior gardens, and having a attached washroom. So it is having a premium CPs and sanitary fittings with beautiful dado tiles, which give you a luxurious feeling. We look forward to serving you with signature Kohinoor warmth. Join us for a tea or coffee at Residencia by Kohinoor. Sada sukhi raho.